Up on the tower, we're getting ready to pour our penthouse level, level 23. We have 2 more levels to go to top the building off. We'll be topping off in about 2 weeks. On the 5th floor, we started installing our curtain wall system with our windows and panels and PTAC sleeve. Here our glazers are getting ready to sling the next window panel out the building. There's a crane 2 floors up. You can see the cable coming down. They attach it to the window, fly it outside the building, and then set it down on the clips.